So Msaleko decided to post his third wife Thobile Msaleko on his social media page after last night episode September season 8 episode 24. So people are saying what it is too late to do damage control. You should have thought about it before adding wife number 5 kule family yakhe yakamseleko. Guys, the people are saying what if he really loves Thobile, you should have not married Samke. Yesterday they saw what they saw. Msaleko was excited get pregnancy Samke, guys. There's no need for him to pretend as if he cares and go Thobile, guys. So people are saying another reason why Msaleko decided to post Thobile this morning is because he's so scared that Thobile might leave him. So this is the picture Msaleko posted on his social media page with the caption, "It doesn't matter what we are going through right now. What is important is the love we have for each other." So people are asking which love do you have for each other? Because the only thing we know, Thobile, she's the understanding wife. She does everything that you ask her. But when now you don't do anything for Thobile, the only thing you want for Thobile is to understand your decision. So guys, the people are saying, Thobile, if she might leave Msaleko, she will have her own child. Some are saying they did have the same experience with their ex-husband. So people are sharing their story. People are really feeling sorry for Thobile, guys, because they know what it is so painful to see another woman who just arrived 3 months ago getting pregnant when you have been there for 15 years with your husband. So guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, it, so like, it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.